Okay, so we're making some of this Buldak Spicy Chicken Ramen. So we put some turkey and some peas and carrots in there. And over here, we're just cooking up the ramen in some boiling water. Yeah, should be good. Now I'm told by Scully, who sent this, there's the powder and then the sauce. I think she was saying the sauce is super spicy, so we'll find out. I like spicy things, so, who knows? It might be fine for me. But we'll do a little taste test first. Alrighty, so we drained off the water. I'm just gonna put all these in there. Oh yeah, looks good. I'll pick out the last little bits there. I hate leaving little bits. There. See? No little bits left. They're in there. Alright, so first up, we will do the powder. Alright, so we got our powder mix in there. This doesn't smell too spicy, so we're just gonna dump this all over. Here we go. I'll just taste a little bit here. Oh yeah, that's pretty mild. It's basically just soup stock. So I guess the real thing is the sauce. So let's check out the sauce. Okay, the sauce is open. Just going to put a little dollop on my finger there. It looks like I cut myself. Ah! Grievous ramen injury. Alright, well, let's try this here. Alright. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's where the spice is. Holy shit. Okay. Well, we'll, holy Moses, that's got some kick. Alright, so we'll put a little bit of that in. Alright, so all the basic stuff is mixed in. Now let's put a little bit of this sauce in there. Just a little bit, eh? Alright, and we're just going to mix that up. That's probably too much. I probably just destroyed myself. But look at that. Like, holy moly. Now that is a frickin' ramen. Nice and full of goodness, full of flavor, full of marrowbone jelly. Oh wait, no, that's a Red Dwarf quote. Anyway. There we go. So we should probably try a little bit there, eh? Well, let's just scoop up a couple of noodles here. I like that these noodles are like thicker than the usual cheap-ass dollar store ramen you get. Alright, here we go. Cheers. It took me so long to prep, it's a little cold, but yeah, that's not too bad. Let me just see if I can get one with some sauce on it here. Yeah, it has some sauce on it. I usually do this with 2 hands and the aid of a spoon, but I guess we could do it on the side there. Here we go. One-handed twirling. Look at that. Mad skills, yo. Alright, let's try it. That's actually pretty good. Whew, yeah, it does have some kick to it. I'm actually going to put just a little bit more sauce in there, because I do like things spicy. Just a little bit. Scully, who sent this to me, said she just uses like a drop. Amateur. Or it just means my taste buds are dead from years of smoking and just junk food. Anyway, very tasty. This is my breakfast today. So we got turkey, peas, carrots, and the delicious Buldak artificial spicy chicken flavor ramen, courtesy of Jadzia, aka Scully, aka Tesla Coil, aka you know who she is. Anyway, see you next time, folks. Okay. That may have been a little too much spice. My mouth was on fire, and now it has gone numb. My nose is running. I'm sweating. And, yeah, so maybe about half that spice next time. Always listen to Jadzia. She is very wise.